Now, fatty liver, a disease as common as it is stealthy, lurking among many with diabetes. It is like an uninvited guest that could lead to something much worse, which is cirrhosis. You or someone you love might be sharing your home with this intruder without even knowing it. Let's talk about spotting the signs of this thing. Elevated liver enzymes, right? So that is the first whispers of caution. Elevated liver enzymes. Imagine this. Your body is trying to send you discreet warnings. Elevated liver enzymes can happen pretty quickly. Medications can cause it, other things can cause it, but it is easy to test in your blood. Pretty much every doctor tests it all the time, right? AST and ALT levels. So your body is gently nudging you towards acknowledging and addressing the issue, saying that there is a problem in your liver. Now let's talk about understanding insulin resistance, which is a culprit behind a fatty liver. Let's tackle the root. Insulin resistance, a web that traps your liver in a state of unhealthiness. It is as if your liver cells are stubbornly resisting a friend who keeps knocking. Insulin keeps calling, but they just don't want to respond, your liver. This silent struggle is a prelude to fat buildup in the liver. Now, let's talk about the healing power of intermittent fasting and nutrition. It's a potential potent ally, right? Intermittent fasting can be as a key tool in the fight against fatty liver. In this battle with fatty liver, guess what? We have secret weapons, a few of them, but the first one we're going to talk about is intermittent fasting, a time-honored technique wrapped in the modern science. It is not merely starving the beast. It is more like timing your meals to reset your liver's clock, and it is health. So for more intermittent fasting videos about how to do it, etc., especially when you're a diabetic, just search SugarMD keyword and put intermittent fasting next to it on Google or YouTube, and you will get the videos you want or the articles you want. But I'll tell you this, you might have heard it before, more than likely: lose weight, gain health. But when it comes to fatty liver, those words bear a golden truth. Let's paint weight loss as our narrative of transformation, shedding more than just pounds, but some perilous plight of liver fat. What about milk thistle? I've been getting a lot of questions about this, right? Well, that is nature's boon for your liver. Let's talk about a helper straight from Mother Nature's garden, milk thistle. Picture this: an herb like a gentle, nurturing gardener tending to your liver, nursing it back to health with its silibin content. Now, we have a new beacon of hope, SugarMD's milk thistle. We have it now. With our hearts open and a steadfast commitment to your journey, we are thrilled to introduce the newest ally in our nurturing arsenal, SugarMD's milk thistle. Now, envision the purest essence of care artfully bottled to support your liver's well-being. This is not just a supplement, but a promise from us to you. Each capsule is brimming with the potential to regenerate your liver, filled with the optimal concentrations of silymarin, the active component known for its liver-loving properties in milk thistle. It stands as a testament to our devotion to your health. Now, like I said, available on our website at sugarmds.com. Go get your milk thistle. It is more than just a product. It is a beacon of hope for those navigating through the rough waters of liver health. Let's embrace this gift together and continue our journey toward healing and balance. What about the foods? Well, let's embrace some foods that will fend off fatty liver. In the tapestry of treatment, let's look into our dietary choices. Picture your plate as a palette, each nutrient-rich food a color with which you paint your path to recovery. The deep greens of leafy vegetables, the bold blues of berries. Each bite a promise to your body, a step towards healing. Transformative change can spring from something as simple as what is on your fork. Balancing complex carbohydrates, fibers, proteins, healthy fats isn't just a culinary challenge. It is an act of kindness to your struggling liver. By incorporating these foods with a low glycemic index and treasures like omega-3 rich fish, we empower our bodies to steadily dismantle the insulin resistance and deflate that fatty liver. Together, let's savor not just the flavors on our tongues, but also the feeling of taking control, one meal at a time. Let's recap this. The key points of our journey, right? So our journey began with understanding fatty liver, which is a silent challenge often accompanying diabetes, along with insulin resistance, which are conditions both prevalent and yet clandestine in its early stages. Now, spotting the signs of early fatty liver, right? So we explored how to do that. The liver enzymes, AST, LAT may go up. They may serve as hushed heralds of liver stress. It is crucial to listen intently to these whispers of your body, embracing the early warnings with an open heart and a proactive mindset. Now, we talked about how important the insulin resistance, which is the root of the matter. We dove into the crux of the issue, which is insulin resistance. This intricate dance of cellular defiance leads to unwanted accumulation of fat in the liver, settling the stage for further health concerns if left unaddressed. And we talked about intermittent fasting, which is a timeless strategy. We unveiled intermittent fasting not as a trend, but as a lifeline, a scientifically backed rhythmic reset for your liver. This ancient practice reforged through contemporary understanding, emerging as a powerful ally against fatty liver. And we said the weight loss transformation, right? The narrative of weight loss, we painted not as a mere reduction in numbers, but as a transformative journey toward liver health and beyond. It is a holistic change that declutters more than physical weight, casting away the burdens of your liver. And finally, we talked about nature's gift, milk thistle, right? Mother's nature remedies were also brought into the light in today's video. We highlighted how milk thistle, with its caring features, supports and regenerates your liver's health gently and effectively, and when we revealed SugarMD milk thistle, now available at sugarmds.com. And at the end, we celebrated diet as a canvas, rich with potential to mend and mitigate fatty liver. Each meal is more than sustenance. It is a deliberate stroke of healing, a vibrant hue in your journey to recovery. Now, foods enriched with life's essential building blocks can gradually correct insulin resistance and abate the fatty liver. So let us carry these insights as we move forward, not just as acts and guidelines, but as tokens of hope and instruments of change. Together, we will continue this compassionate march towards health, one mindful step, one healing meal, one hopeful heartbeat at a time. Folks, just as every cloud has a silver lining, every liver has a shot at redemption. Take these steps to heart and start writing your liver's success story. Who knows? It might be a bestseller in the making. As we bring our chapter to close today with our video, my friends, the journey to restoring your liver's health is a marathon, not a sprint. Let's pace it with grace and determination. And until next time, be kind to your liver and stay healthful. The road to recovery is as sweet as it sounds. Hello everyone, thanks for watching. And this year we are announcing for 2025 January start a diabetes reversal program, and we need your input. So go to diabetesreversalformula.com and sign up, be a thought leader, give us your recommendations how to create this program so we can beat diabetes together. See you later.